I believe that everyone should have one of these. This is a Dremel 3000 that I got from Home Depot a while ago. I'm going to open it up and show you everything that comes included, some extra things that I got that go along with this. And yeah, we'll kind of go by and see what we have. So here we have the instructions, which I think are pretty easy to follow. Gonna move the camera here. So we have the Dremel itself. It is a adjustable speed. You have your low, more medium, and then your full high speed. And you have this little, I believe this is I've never used this. This is like some sort of router attachment that you can attach and maybe kind of bore holes with it, kind of along places like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Never used it. And then here is the box of basically attachments. I mostly use it for cutting small pieces of metal. It originally came with some basically discs that are you kind of stick them on a they come with these discs here. At least for me, I bought this after I bought it. This didn't come actually with the tool itself. And these, I believe, are far superior than the ones that come from factory. Oops. And I'll kind of show you how it works in a second, but you basically lock the disc in here and then screw this down onto the Dremel itself, and you can cut with it. So I'll kind of go over the next thing here. You have a wrench here, and we have some boring tools. If you want to kind of drill out or also trim metal. And you also have a little wire wheel. This one's kind of used. I've used it pretty frequently. You can clean metal and clean rust and whatnot. Comes with some polishing compound if you want to polish anything. And you also have some more of these little guys. This can unscrew and you can replace it with any of these if that wears out. And you also have some of these guys if you want to polish. You put the polishing compound and you use this. So I want to show you the easy lock disc here. So how this works is you put this in here, push the button here, make sure it locks, tighten it, and then you can basically kind of have to squeeze it, push it down, and then turn it. And there you go. You can spin it, make sure it's good on there, and you can cut with it. And take it off, you basically pull down, turn it, and it comes off. So overall, it's a pretty good thing to have, in my opinion. I think if you don't have this, you're gonna have a hard time cutting small pieces of metal, and kind of doing that efficiently. So yeah, I'll leave a link to where you can buy this. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video.